How to fix due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily locked or blocked. So if you want to fix this problem, then you need to simply open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. So I'll be here with Chrome browser. Once you open your browser, you need to simply go for the search and then search for Snapchat support. Once you search for Snapchat support, go for the first, which is Snapchat support or help.support.com. And you can simply tap on contact us, which is here on the bottom, and choose the second option or the first option, whichever option you're comfortable with. And then you can again tap on my account is blocked or my device is blocked, or I think my account was compromised. And here, if you scroll down, you will have this kind of interface. So you need to enter your username of your Snapchat account and then the email address which you have used to create your account, and then again enter your mobile number which you have used to create your account. And under the description, you need to write that I'm not being able to log into my Snapchat. It says due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily locked or blocked. And I don't know how to fix that issue, so please help me with that. And once you've entered all of the information that you're facing, you need to simply tap on submit, which is here in the middle of your screen. And once you tap on submit, your problem will be submitted to Snapchat and you will get the fix. So that's it. That's how you can fix your problem, which says due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily locked. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.